Welcome back to the Dream Cars. Today, we're diving into a vehicle that doesn't just redefine the family minivan, it rewrites the rules. This is the 2026 Chrysler Pacifica, and trust me, it's not what you think it is. From the outside, Chrysler has given the Pacifica a sharper, more sculpted design. It's sleeker than before, with a front fascia that feels more SUV than minivan. The LED light bar that runs across the grille, pure drama. The kind you don't expect in a vehicle built to carry kids, groceries, and everything in between. The 2026 model rides slightly lower with a widened stance, giving it a more confident posture. You'll notice the clean lines, the flush door handles, and the optional 20-inch alloy wheels that scream sophistication. Chrysler is clearly aiming for a luxury experience without the luxury badge. Step inside and you're met with a cabin that feels more like a high-end lounge than a minivan. Soft touch materials cover nearly every surface. There's real wood trim available, brushed aluminum accents, and ambient lighting that wraps around the dash. Chrysler's new Harmony Tech layout blends aesthetics with functionality, and it works beautifully. Taking center stage is a massive 15.6-inch curved touchscreen. It's the heart of the Pacifica's Uconnect 6 system. Fast, intuitive, and fully customizable. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are standard, as is integrated Alexa. And here's something new, biometric driver recognition. The Pacifica knows who you are and loads your preferences, seat position, climate, even your favorite Spotify playlist. For the backseat passengers, Chrysler hasn't held back. The 2026 Pacifica offers dual 12-inch HD touchscreens, each with gaming support, streaming apps, and even video calls via the built-in 5G hotspot. You've never seen backseat entertainment like this. Under the hood, you have two options: the refined 3.6-liter V6 with 295 horsepower, or the plug-in hybrid variant. The hybrid gives you up to 40 miles of electric-only range, with a combined driving range of over 500 miles. Perfect for daily commutes, and ready for road trips. Smooth, quiet, and unexpectedly quick off the line, this isn't your average minivan. Now let's talk about the tech that matters most, safety. The 2026 Pacifica comes with Chrysler's latest suite of driver assistance features: adaptive cruise control, lane centering, blind spot monitoring, and even hands-free highway driving in certain conditions. It's like having a co-pilot that never blinks. And practicality, still unbeatable. The Stow and Go system remains a game changer. With the seats folded, you've got a completely flat floor and enough space to swallow furniture, gear, or a full Costco run. And for 2026, the power folding third row is quicker and smoother than ever. The hybrid model now supports faster charging, 80% in under 2 hours with a level 2 charger. Optional solar panels on the roof provide a small but helpful trickle charge, especially when parked outside. It's the little details that make a difference. Whether you're loading up for school, cruising to the mountains, or just enjoying the quiet of a peaceful drive, the Pacifica adapts. It's a car that understands family life, but doesn't compromise on comfort, design, or technology. The 2026 Chrysler Pacifica isn't just a minivan. It's a rolling smart home, a luxury cruiser, a road trip warrior. It's proof that practical can be beautiful and exciting. Chrysler didn't just evolve the Pacifica, they reimagined it. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this look at the new Pacifica, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more automotive deep dives. This is the Dream Cars, where practicality and passion meet on 4 wheels. See you next time.